Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries fire sign. This reading is for the remaining month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what's the messages for you, Aries. Okay, Hangman. The Empress. Five of Cups. Yeah, someone is sad and they are spiritually awakening. Finally, they stand by their power. Empress. It's you, could be Aries. It could be your person. Three of Cups. Ten of Pentacles. You want stability, reconciliation, celebration. Wow. Two cards, unfortunately. Queen of Knight of Wands and the Sun. I think for some this could be third party situation also, some children's involved. King of Cups. The Star. Yeah. 90% are chances for reconciliation with your person, those who are in separation. Those who are not in separation, definitely your love life is going to be next level because the Star and King of Cups. Yeah, you want to offer your love to your person or your person want to offer their cup of love to you. Wow, Ace of Cups. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, 10 of Cups. Wow, Ace of Cups and 10 of Cups. The Devil. Obsession. Yes, love is overflown. One person is very emotional in this connection. There is obsession. You or your person could be Capricorn. So this obsession creates some sadness in this connection, some deception in this connection. So one person is obsessed with another person. So let's see your person energy little bit. Aries, what they are up to. Four of Swords. Yeah, they are Five of Pentacles. Separation. Definitely there is separation between both of you for some. Death. You or your person could be Scorpio. Page of Cups. Magician under the deck. Yeah, your person right now, they are thinking, not taking any action, and they are undergoing some transformation. Death and Five of Pentacles. They are, after the separation, they are thinking about you a lot and they want to communicate. Page of Cups. They want to convey their apologies to you if they did wrong to you in past. They are in manifesting energy right now. They want to manifest you again in their life. Queen of Wands. I think it's you. Stand by your power. Aries. Fire energy. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, things are turning in your favor, Aries. Definitely your person want to come towards you. After the transformation, it will take time because some sneaky energy is still there. Some mind games. One person is playing mind games, but under the deck, Six of Wands, you will get success in your life. It could be working or could be relationship. Seven of Swords. I want clarification card for Seven of Swords. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. I think they are miscommunicating, false communication between both of you. They are not expressing their feelings in past. That's why. But after the transformation, they will communicate the truth with you. Page of Wands. Yes, you will receive communication from your person and they will, this time they will speak truth to you. In past they didn't. So definitely will get communication from your person and they want to apologize for it. An apology is coming in your way, simply. Aries. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.